Hi, we're the development team behind the Parents Almanac. I'm Joshua Molina.
I'm Cole Kirby.
I'm Jackson Hodgson.
I'm Yared Mambo.
I'll begin by providing a brief overview of what the app is about. Our team collaborated with Dr. Joseph Boland, a clinical psychologist specializing in CBT and behavioral family psychotherapy, in order to create an application to assist new parents in learning parenting skills. One of the most important features of the app is a series of educational videos and articles created by Dr. Boland covering a wide variety of proven parenting practices from an expert in the field. The app also includes a rules page for keeping a concrete list of household rules as well as their consequences, in-app messaging between family members, a calendar page for keeping track of chores and family plans, and a profile system that integrates with all of the above systems. Furthermore, all of these features are stored in a database, so they will automatically be synced between all devices in a family. Next, I'll go over the motivations behind the app and the problem we are trying to solve. The first important topic to mention is how incredibly important parenting is in human development. Your parents fundamentally shape the person you'll become. The lessons you learn at a young age often stick with you for the rest of your life. If you enter adolescence already having established values such as compassion, sharing, honesty, and so on, there's a strong chance those values will continue into adulthood. On the flip side, many parents make the mistake of spoiling their children or letting them frequently get their way through tantrums. The child then essentially learns that they will always get their way, and this can have long-term consequences. It can easily manifest itself in adolescence in behaviors such as arrogance, failing to respect other people's boundaries, or other similar issues, and these behaviors can frequently continue into adult life as well. The importance of parenting is complicated by the reality of how difficult parenting is. It's an enormous amount of responsibility and a constant source of work and stress. Furthermore, it's not something that most people are taught how to do. It's not exactly something that you can fully prepare for, but there are plenty of proven strategies and tips that can directly lead to more effective parenting. Next, my teammate Josh will go over some of the current approaches to the problem.
Here we have a short but overarching list of the current approaches most parents take on their parenting journey. We believe that a significant issue is that many parents simply don't realize that there are resources out there that can help them on their journey through parenting, aside from what we've listed below. Many parents go into the experience relying primarily on their experiences thus far in life or from their family and relatives. A significant amount of the time this is perfectly fine, and many people are naturally great parents. However, even in those cases, no parent is perfect, and there are likely some aspects of their parenting style that could have been improved with the right advice. Another aspect of the issue is that there is, in fact, all the information you could ever need on parenting somewhere on the internet. But the internet is a big place, and it can be difficult to actually find the relevant info. You can also run into issues of who to trust, since many articles could be essentially written by a blogger, whereas others could be written by experts in the field. Another issue with the internet approach is that many of the articles are going to have some degree of overlap, so it can be difficult to find information that you haven't already seen unless you already know what you're looking for. There is the option for child psychologists and family therapists like Dr. Boland, but they often tend to be more expensive than what people can afford, or people just refuse to go to them outright. That's where Dr. Boland got the idea for the app, as he wants to reach as many people as he can to share the information he believes every parent should know, all in one centralized place, the Parents Almanac. Up next is the demo of our app presented by my teammate, Jackson.
Welcome to the Parents Almanac final demo video. In order to create an account, please hit the button at the bottom of the screen and type in your email and password. Once you have done so, please hit the Create Account button. At this point, you're going to have to sign up for a subscription, so please hit the Pay with PayPal button. And you will have the option to either log in with your PayPal account, select the payment method, and then use the app, or you could type in a credit card number without signing up for a PayPal account. After you type in your payment information, please hit the Done button, and you will be taken to the home screen where you can access your account settings and create a profile. In order to use all App features. Each individual user must have a profile. To add a profile, please go to the Manage Profile page. Hit the menu button in the top right-hand corner. Hit Add a Profile button. Type in your name. Select your gender. If you would like to upload a profile picture, select from your library by using Choose a Picture, or take a picture using your device's camera by hitting Take a Picture. Next, enter in the profile's password. If this profile is for a parent, please select the check mark indicating so. If it's meant for a child, do nothing and hit Add Profile. Confirm the details. And now you should see the newly created profile on the screen. In order to delete a profile, please hit the menu button on the right, hit Delete a Profile, and select the profile you would like to delete, then hit Delete. In order to edit a profile, hit Edit, and you can pull up, and that will pull up their profile screen where you can change their name, gender, picture, if it's a parent profile or a child profile, and their password. To access Parenting Almanac's articles and videos, please hit the Parenting Guides tab, then Parenting Articles to view the articles, and then you'll be able to view all of the articles stored inside the app. To watch the videos, please go back to the main guides page, then hit the Parenting's Videos topic, and you will be able to watch any of the uploaded videos.
Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Boland, licensed psychologist, talking today about the main function of parenting. The main function of parenting is to train your child to have the skills, the characteristics, the habits to be successful.
In order to take advantage of the built-in calendar feature, please go to the Family Calendar page. After you add a couple of events and chores, they should appear here, but since we have not created any yet, let's go ahead and create one by hitting the plus button in the top right-hand corner, typing in the event name, a description, where it is, and then hit Add Event. You can also add chores by hitting the same plus button, by selecting this event as a chore, and then by typing in the title of the chore. Description for it. When the chore should be completed. Also, you can choose if you want this chore to repeat each week by typing in the information below. One of the best features of Parenting's Almanac is the fact that you can sign up for events by hitting the Going To tab and sign up or assign chores to other family members by hitting, if you're going to complete a chore, you can sign up for it by hitting that, or assigning the chore to another profile. Also, you can mark chores completed when they have been finished. And then lastly, you can also delete events if it happens to be canceled before the event date. To take advantage of the rules feature, please go to the Family Rules tab, and you will be able to display all created family rules. Since we don't have any yet, please hit the plus button in the top right hand corner, type in the rule name, type the consequence, and then hit the add rule button. Since the rule has now been added, whenever someone breaks the rule, you can go in and hit the rule broken button and send that person a notification. For this example, I'm going to send the rule broken notification to myself by hitting the notify button for my profile, and then that's the notification the person should receive if they broke the rule. If you would like to change a rule, please hit the edit button and you will be able to add or change the details of it. And also, if you would like to delete a rule, please hit the delete button. In order to message other family members, please go to the family chat page. Once the page is open, you have two options. One is to text everyone in the family group chat, or two, direct message certain family members. In the family group chat, every message you send will be set to all other profiles. If you go into the direct message area, you can select other family members to have a profile and message them that way.
Hi everyone, my name is Yared Mamo. I'm a member of Parenting Almiac, and today I'll be talking about the technologies we used in our application. The main ones are listed below, but we also use smaller plugins that are open source. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. The runtime environment allows you to run your projects in outside environments such as web browser. This makes it easier to debug and observe format. Cordova Framework is an interactive framework that allows developers to design their application. Functions such as simple bypass, cost-effective, and simplicity of the designs are the advantages of Cordova, while its cross-compilation capability with hybrid app tends to make it slower. Ionic Framework is an open-source UI toolkit that helps developers in building high-quality mobile and desktop apps using web technology. It uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to integrate with popular frameworks. Angular Framework is a TypeScript-based open-source front-end web application platform which is bundled with the testing frameworks Jasmine and Karma. TypeScript is a programming language that is a superset of JavaScript, such that it's purely built upon JavaScript. So any valid JavaScript code can be converted to TypeScript by simply changing the file extension from .js to .ts. Firebase is a back-end host service platform developed by Google, providing features such as authentication and database to the developer and users. For our purposes, we used it for messaging, push notification, and database change. Thank you.